Morning again. 10:26 UTC time, April 19th, and so did two videos on gold. So I have to give silver some love and give it a fair shake. Because if you like gold, I'm sure you like silver. Okay, clean chart, area chart, monthly. Does it go to zero? Why would something like this go to zero? But here we go. This is the monthly. Nixon 71, right? Nixon 71. So this 10-year period, was it a bull market? Yeah, prices went up a lot. $1. $2.49, I believe, or 50 on the comics. But what was it really? It was just a repricing of an asset that wasn't freely traded. And so US dollar went off the gold link off the Bretton Woods, right? Because during the 60s, US was spending like drunken sailors, right? Going to the moon, literally going to the moon. Blowing stuff up in Southeast Asia, Vietnam, Korea, conflicts. And the Europeans were like, hey, man, you put us under a Marshall Plan, you put Britain under war repayments, flattened Germany, wiped out Germany, right? Carpet bombing, literally taking a city and turning it into rubble. And so the US basically had free reign to be the superpower, bar none. Its overspending forced Russia to overspend, and Russia was running a socialist, communist economy, not a capitalist economy. So how could they make money on a planned economy? So this was out competition. US just basically destroyed the world, and then they were like, what are you guys going to do? You going to compete with us? We've got all the gold. We took your gold in World War II, right? Locked up in Fort Knox. And, well, I think they still count the US Treasury still counts gold as $35 an ounce as their market value. But once it got delinked from the dollar, from the Bretton Woods Agreement, and once the silver and the gold started to trade on the comics, now you got speculators coming in and arguing, no, a silver dollar is not a $1. Obviously, it's probably like 50, and they took it to 50. So it was just a repricing, and we had runaway inflation. We had the OPEC. We had I forget the fella's name, the Jewish guy who does all the brokering of the deals with glasses. You know what I'm talking about. Our favourite friend over there in Washington. So he created OPEC. Britain created Saudi Arabia. Remember Lawrence of Arabia. It was all Bedouin tribes. There's no royalty in Saudi Arabia. They were appointed by the Brits, who then, I guess, gave control. I think British Petroleum had huge swathes of land over there. So Lawrence did his fact-finding reconnaissance mission, right? And where am I going with this? So basically, the Middle East was occupied by Turkey, the Ottoman Empire, right? So that was what World War One was about: breaking up all those zones of control from the Ottoman Empire. If you want to be the world superpower, you got to break up the competition. And Turkey's still feeling price even today. Sanctions. They smashed the Turkish lira. Okay, let's bring up TRY. How can you compete with your local currency when the US dollar and euro they seem to be able to print for free with no impact because they're in a basket. They trade against each other. TRI Forex US dollar TRY. Yeah, Turkey should be an economic superpower. Smart people, family values, etc. And the West doesn't appear to like that. Smart, intelligent, family values. So there you go. TRY. This is. Let's try. Oh, I see what I did. I see what I did. Let me try that. Maybe try FXCM. There we go. There we go. A dollar used to buy 1.17 TRY not too long ago. I don't think this is too long ago. Do you? Decade and a bit. They have been smashing to smithereens the poor people of Turkey. And why is that? I don't know. I do know, but let's not go into that. There was a peg moment. Francis Hunt has covered this extensively, and I'm sorry, Francis, I really haven't been keeping up with all your videos. You put out so much content, and me being in the Hex, there's also a lot of content to consume, and I'll try not to be a consumer of content. I'm trying to produce content now because, yeah, because why not? Just do it. But yeah, Francis was calling it, I think, peg. There was an intervention moment where the Turkish central bank tried to defend. So, how do you defend euro currency? You buy it up, right? With what? Dollars? So you're borrowing dollars to buy your currency. Eventually, you run out of ammo to buy dollars, and then boom. So it's probably going to double digits. And I've been to Turkey for the first time in Istanbul 2-3 years ago. Lovely place, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Okay, what was the main pullback? Okay, yeah, great food, great weather, great people. Turks. They seem to get a bad rap in Europe, right? I don't know why. Oh boy, I've lost. I'm not lost. I will never lose. There we go. Okay, trend fib forecast. Yeah, there we go. Double digits. Was this the best place to draw a zero? Maybe not. How about that? Is anything making sense? Do I make sense to you? So we try. Okay. Let's try all the way from the bottom. 114. That's close enough. And let's draw that as a 1. That was the peg level, right? I believe. Okay. $10. 15, 20, 23. I don't know. Poor people of Turkey, you need to defend yourself. Obviously, precious metals. I know you like Bitcoin, but yeah, we're going to digital, so maybe maybe pegging yourself in the USDC, TGBP, TAUD might be worthwhile for you guys. You're getting crushed every year upon year, and I know you guys can't travel. If you're just staying in your local economy, your local country, you may be able to weather things out, right? Because you're earning in local currency. But if you Turks who want to go travel, see what they do. Maybe they want to go to Germany for a little while, meet their relatives. You're getting crushed. So maybe you guys may be already picking up euros and stuff like that. Having a dual currency situation where you spend your local lira, you save in euros and dollars, and possibly own Bitcoin as a long-term asset. Picking up satoshis here and there, Litecoin, whatever, Ethereum. Yeah. So this video is turning into a Turkish lira video. It was meant to be a silver video, so this could be a two-parter. Silver. Yeah. Okay. Cup handle. Everyone's been pointing this out for years, right? But the time lengths involved, they just are so long. So long. Until they have explosive moves, right? They have wicked downdrafts as well. Boom, boom, boom. So what's this bear market? How long it lasts? 14 years, 24 years bear market. I'll call that, over here, like the end, right? You don't trade, say, go to the bottom and say, hey, there's the bottom, because you can only look back and see that was the bottom. So it's got to take out highs. It's got to take out highs to confirm this bottom. So, yeah, that's just trading, Because why? Because it could have gone fell into this, wiggled around, and then took it out this low, and took it out that low. Why not go back all the way to 1? I'm sure some people thought that was what was going to happen. Who knows? How many people really, backed up the truck on silver? I'm sure producers, industrialists did, but the average investor probably weren't even paying attention, right? So, okay, I'm out of coffee. What did I want to show you? So this is going to go higher. Yeah, 100 plus, right? Should outperform a measured move, a true manic bull market in precious metals. So it may take a few years to play out, but we could see numbers up here. Let's just pull one out. Why don't we give it a fair crack? We did it for Turkish lira. We saw where that's going. So stuff is getting destroyed, right? Your things that you thought had value are just being burned to smithereens. It's a new world we're entering, and if you're not paying attention, just watching BBC or Sky News, well, there's not much I can do because you're not following me or others like Francis, who has been calling for the financial reset for years upon years. And this is financial reset season. If you can't see that, then we really need to talk. I'll just give you a brief on the history of the dollar and how that's been proliferated. Or up to 20 trillion on M2, $20 trillion. So the currency is exceeding the economy, the GDP, right? And I'll talk about that another time with another video about how China is already number one by far. I think you look up PPP numbers, they are already number one. It won't be told on mainstream. Not till it's already well confirmed. Maybe in 2024. And we will probably still be working through stop-start lockdowns in the West. For what? You tell me. To make China number one, obviously. 109, 145, 168. Yep. 15 minutes. Okay, let's look at. I've just plugged in 5 silver stocks. Silver Corp. Let's give it a quick perusals. Give it a quick perusal. What is this pattern? Down, up. Keep it simple. Down, up. Yeah. High, low, high, low, high, low, high. There. Let's draw a pound sign. Because I'm in the UK. All right. That's a good move. 549 to 16. Right. Could be quick. What is this again? Silver Corp Metals, SVM. It's a buy. Okay, this is a good, well-run company. First Majestic, I believe. First Majestic. Silver Corp, CBOE, BCX real-time pre-market. Again, similar-ish. High, low, high, low, high, low. So, if Francis hasn't seen this, if Francis Hunt hasn't seen this, could be setting up for patterns that he likes to trade. I don't really trade. A more value investor, I guess. A teacher. Profit. It's blowing my own trumpet. Okay, Francis may be involved. You would have to go and see his material. December 13, 14, 16. That's so one target's already played out. Let's do candle. Let's get more accurate. Okay, 4, 18, 14, 14, 26. So yeah, we're about to take out, reach new high or old high, and then the big pattern. 26, 2, 40, 24, 24, 36. Okay, 36 up here. That's not bad. Yeah. Again, manic precious metals, manias. Rocket ship. Where's the rocket? I want the rocket. Can you see it? There we go. Okay, 100. Maybe it's over here. Maybe it's over there. How it gets there? Something like that. Okay. PAS. Quickly. Excuse me. Yeah, it looks alright. All flag action. Could pop anytime. We'll get through this. Flag action. FSM, Fortuna, and Wheaton. I was looking for Silver Wheaton, but apparently they changed the name. Yeah, this is interesting. Really interesting. Okay, my time is up. Bye.